Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm super excited today because I get to work on the car again and put on new parts. As you can see, I've got the car jacked up and the rear wheels off. And what do we have here? Some new car parts from Massive Speed. Let me show you the logo right there. So this is we're looking at rear sway bar end links here. This is Massive Speed's latest offering to the Focus ST platform, the upgraded rear sway bar end links. So a little recap for y'all. The rear sway bar end links, for those of you who don't know, they connect the rear sway bar to the rear control arms and add stiffness and reduce body roll and pretty much overall improve handling of the car. And the rear sway bar end link is the only thing connecting the rear sway bar to the rear control arm. So if you have, you could have a really strong rear sway bar, but you could have really weak, flimsy rear sway bar end links, right? With crappy bushings. So you could have really weak attachments, and you won't get the full effect of the rear sway bar. So what Massive Speed did is they made a rear sway bar end link with much beefier, more reinforced attachments for the rear sway bar. It's got a thicker body here, as you can see. I'll hold those up for you. The body's much thicker. They have boots over the ball joints, the heme joints that they've got in here. It's just a much better sway bar end link here overall in general. So you can get that to focus for you. I don't know if there we go. So we're gonna throw these on. I already got the other one installed in the car. Figured for comparison purposes I'd have them out here. And then tomorrow I've got a track day down at Dominion Raceway in Virginia, and we're gonna see how they do. So yeah, let's mount them up and we'll talk about the install. Hey guys, all right, so we're back behind the car now. This is where the OEM sway bar end link used to be. This is the attach point to the rear lower control arm, or just the rear control arm, and then this is the attachment point to my 25 millimeter Steeda rear sway bar. All right, as you can see, maybe you can see, maybe you can. On the other side, I've got the other sway bar end link already installed. I don't think you can see that too well, but it's installed over there. So I figured I'd just show you how easy the install is for those of you who might be doing this for the first time or new to suspension modifications on your Focus ST. So it's literally the most straightforward install ever. I have all the bushings, I have all the nuts off of the rear sway bar because I'm going to put a little bit of Loctite on them because I don't want it falling off on me on the street or the track. But that's pretty much all you do. See, just like I slid everything in there, and then you go ahead and put the corresponding nuts where they go. Make sure you also replace the washers. There's a washer that goes right here. There's a washer for there. And then there's a washer for the one up top here. So, once you got that done and the height of the sway bar end link and the sway bar is the same on both sides, which obviously it should be because the sway bar is pretty rigid. Tighten everything down, torque everything down, don't He-Man it, but make sure everything's tight. And then you guys should be good to go. All right, just like that. So the next day I went out to Dominion Raceway in Virginia to test out the new parts on the track. And I gotta say that I was pleasantly surprised by a tighter feeling steering wheel and a stiffer rear end in general. Like I said, the massive rear sway bar end links really help to accentuate the sway bar that you have on the car. But the biggest difference is the steering response up front, believe it or not. The nose was more willing to follow my inputs. You know, I just felt like the car was able to follow a much tighter line than before. Um, you know, and I didn't know if such a small part was going to make a big difference, but um, you know, true to the massive name, I really noticed a difference with their reinforced rear sway bar end links. So if anybody's thinking about doing this mod, I really wouldn't hesitate. All right, guys, until next time.